Ever seen those viral recipes? The ones that promise a 5-star dessert in under 5 minutes? Yeah, me too. I tried the internet's famous 3-minute microwave flan, and let's just say, it was a disaster in the first 30 seconds. I'm talking shattered glass and scrambled egg custard. Today, I'm on a redemption arc. We're forgetting the hacks and making the real thing, individual, decadent cream flans that are so smooth, so creamy, they're worth every single minute. My first fail was physics, hot glass, cold water, it exploded. My second fail was chemistry. Microwaves cook eggs violently and unevenly, hence the rubbery clumps. The twist is this: those viral hacks fail because they ignore the fundamental science of a great custard. You can't rush perfection. The real magic happens low and slow, with a luxurious base of heavy cream and a gentle, steamy hug from a water bath. It's not complicated, but it's non-negotiable. So let's build our real flan the right way. First, the foundation, the caramel. We're using a full cup of sugar with a little water in a light-colored pan so we can watch the color like a hawk. We dissolve the sugar, then let it bubble without stirring until it turns a deep, gorgeous amber. This is flavor, not just color. We immediately pour a tablespoon into each of our ceramic ramekins. Ceramic is our friend here. It conducts heat evenly and won't shock like glass. Now, the soul of the flan, the custard. Into the blender goes 5 room temperature eggs, sugar, vanilla, a pinch of salt. We blend just to combine, no whipping. Then with the blender on low, we stream in our secret weapons: rich, heavy cream and whole milk. This combo gives us that luxurious mouthfeel no canned milk can match. We blend for mere seconds, then let it rest. This 10-minute pause is crucial. It lets the bubbles rise and settle, so our finished surface is mirror smooth. See those bubbles? We don't want those in our final flan. So we take our rested custard and strain it through a fine mesh sieve right into a pouring jug. This catches any little bits and ensures absolute silkiness. We divide this liquid gold among our caramel-lined ramekins. Now for the most important step, the baño Maria, the water bath. We place the ramekins in a roasting pan, slide it onto the oven rack, and then pour boiling water around them until it comes halfway up the sides. This water bath is the guardian of our custard. It creates a gentle, humid oven environment that cooks the eggs slowly and evenly, preventing them from curdling into those rubbery lumps. No scrambling here. We bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes. We're looking for a set that jiggles like firm jello in the center when nudged. It will firm up.
Don't come into the front.
We let them cool, then tuck them into the fridge for a long chill. Overnight is best. This patience transforms them, and the moment of truth. Running a knife, the flip, that soft plop as the perfect flan releases, swimming in its own amber caramel. This is the result you get when you respect the process. No hacks, no shortcuts, just stunning, reliable flavor. So, ready to make flan that actually works?